Yo, it's Heartbreak Bobby from Lids. In case we're here with the homie Jordan Chan, the on-beam unboxing sneaker review for the 2012 Nike Flyknit Trainer. So today we're here in Los Angeles, California with my homie Jordan Chan. Shout out to the homie Jordan Chan right here. He really hooked me up with this video today. So we're here with his Nike Flyknit Trainer. This is the 2012 pair. The homie copped it for 100 bucks, right?
Yeah, 100 bucks off rail.
Yep, that way. The crazy thing about this sneaker at the time was, I remember it came out 2012, it was a $150 sneaker.
Yeah.
Kanye West wore it, and then it instantly became a $700 sneaker.
So, for these here, got the little extra cushioning around the collar, because these are the padded version. They came out with two versions. There was an unpadded and padded version, but the only difference to me is really the comfort level. Like, it's more soft around your ankles, you know?
So you would prefer the padded over the non-padded version?
Personally, yeah.
Okay, so how do you feel about this sneaker as far as fashion and function? Like
I feel like I could run around in these in the gym, go to the gym, you know, run a mile, and then, you know, you could dress it up with some jeans.
Alright, shout out to the homie Jordan Chan for this video. We're gonna get into the unboxing and off-feed portion of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for 1,000 subs. Alright, let's get into it. Okay.